Today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a profitable online business using just your designs, without ever spending $1 on making a single product yourself. I know, it sounds almost too good to be true, because we're all told that starting a business means facing reality. You start thinking about the inventory, boxes stacked up in your living room. What if there's a way to build your brand and sell your designs without any of that? This is where the magic of print on demand comes in. And it's why I am so excited to talk about a platform called Printful. Printful is a print on demand partner that lets us create and sell custom products with our designs. They have almost every type of product you can think of, like men's clothing, women's clothing, hats, and accessories like phone cases like this with different types. They have everything, even tote bags, beautiful designs with mugs, and cool girls' fashion styles like sweatshirts. Okay, let me show you how incredibly easy this is. First, I'm going to create a lovely mug with you guys. Here in the Printful catalog, I'm going to select this white ceramic mug with colors inside. We can select any color in here as you want. I'm just gonna pick this pink color and start designing. Now, I'll upload a design I already have. It's a simple, cute design for our cuties out there. We can see our design on the mug with this 3D view. I'm just going to drag, resize, and position it perfectly. That took what? Like a minute? Now let's add a design for a sweatshirt. Let's pick this bestseller. I'm going to select this dusty rose color. Here, I'm going to put a design on the back of this sweatshirt, because nowadays, I see so many girls love to wear sweatshirts with just a cute design on the back. We'll upload a different design this time. Resize and place it correctly. You can even add your own custom label on the inside. This is huge for building a real brand. Okay, finally, I'm going to create a phone case design. To choose a product, I'm simply going to ask Gemini or ChatGPT, what iPhone model phone case have the most sales now? You can see it's iPhone 16 series with MagSafe compatibility, and most people love clear cases. We can confirm it directly here also, as we see the best-selling phone case product is clear cases for iPhone. I'm just going to select iPhone 16 and start designing. Here, I'm going to create this design for all iPhone 16 series models. I have this cute ghost design, and I'm going to place that on this clear case and resize it. Then we can publish our product. Printful also lets you create and download mockups for our store. The best thing is you can even purchase a sample of these with your design at a 20% discount with your free Printful account. So, you know exactly what your customers are getting. How cool is that? This means we can focus on the fun part, creating and marketing, while they handle the rest. It completely removes the risk. Once you're happy with your designs, you can connect your Printful account to Shopify, Etsy store, or any platform you want, even if you have a TikTok shop. Once your store is connected, you'll need to set up your billing methods. This covers the fulfillment fees every time you sell a product. And you are done. Your products are live and ready to sell. It's that simple. When a customer buys from you, Printful automatically print the product, packages, and ships the product directly to them. You only pay Printful after you've made a sale. You're in control of your profit margin. Your profit is calculated after fulfillment and shipping costs are taken out. Seriously, for what you get, complete hands-off operation, this cost is pretty minimal. And we're talking about incredible quality here. Printful's reshipment rate due to issues is just 0.24%. They're trusted by some of the biggest brands in the world, like Coca-Cola and MTV. You, as a small business owner, get access to that same level of quality and service with zero upfront cost. So, your journey from idea to entrepreneur is so much closer than you think. You have the creativity. Printful provides the tools to make it happen, risk-free. And just like that, the game completely changes, doesn't it? That little spark of an idea you've been protecting, the one that felt so far away and complicated. Suddenly, you can see it. You can almost feel it. It's real now. This is about so much more than just making a cute mug. It's about knowing you can finally create that whole vibe, that whole brand you've been imagining, without needing anyone's permission or a big pile of cash. Imagine the feeling of seeing someone post a picture wearing a sweatshirt you designed. That's not a far-off dream anymore. It's your new reality, waiting for you to just press start. All that's left is you and your creativity. So, if you're feeling that spark and you're ready to see where it leads, I've popped the link to Printful down in the description for you. It's totally free to sign up and just start bringing your ideas to life today. I would love to know, what's one product you've always dreamed of creating? Share it in the comments below. Let's inspire each other.